Hi, everybody, and welcome to 5-Minute Friday tutorials on the Progreda channel. In this video, I will be sharing a tutorial on how to use the social media planner tool so that you can schedule posts ahead of time. And this is a great way to save time as a business owner operator, or even if you're the one posting or you have someone logging into your social media account on their phone. You ideally want to step away from that and just have them work out of the Progreda account so that you can actually see what they're posting and for when. So the very first thing that we want to do is you want to log into Progreda, and on the left side, you want to click on the marketing tab. And then you want to make sure that on the top bar, you have social planner clicked. So that way it brings you to this page where you will be able to see which platforms you're connected to. Now, this is personal preference. You don't have to be connected to all of them. It just comes down to which ones make the most sense for your business and which one are you trying to grow followers or trying to generate leads from. So in this example, as you can see, Andy is across different platforms, and we do have one person dedicated to scheduling these out. But also, it doesn't have to be just one person. If you have multiple people on your team, the nice thing is that they can all focus on getting content scheduled for you. Or if you are the one doing it, that's totally fine as well. If you're the one scheduling it, you can actually just maybe take an hour of a month and just do a bunch of batch posting scheduling so you don't have to worry it for the rest of the month. So in this example, I will actually focus on doing a example post for Audate Media LinkedIn page, just because that's the best. The video that I'm going to be using is for that size. So that will go ahead and be showing that one. Okay. Now, to get started, you want to click on New Post, Create New Post here on the top right. I will be selecting the On-Date Media LinkedIn page. This right part is going to show me what it looks like on LinkedIn when it goes live. And down here, you can choose if you want just words, if you're going to add an emoji, if you have an image or a video. In my example, I have a video. It is already uploaded here, but let's assume it wasn't here. Let's assume that I didn't have it already here in my Progreda folders. I would just click Upload File. I already know it's on my downloads in my computer, so I'm moving it from my computer into Progreda. I click on it. Notice it took a couple of seconds, so it wasn't really much time. I already checked the audio because it already went through editing. And then this is where I would write a caption that relates to the piece of content. So in this video, Andy shares how he prioritizes sales activities over creative tasks. What do you think? And then I'm going to add a couple hashtags like business, CEO, things that relate to the graphic or image, motivation, and let's just say sales, because he's talking about sales in it, money, mindset, whatever applies. And then you want to click down here, the little arrow. Do not click post. I mean, you can, but it will actually make the post go live. But let's assume you're scheduling for many days ahead of time. So you click this little arrow at the bottom. You click schedule. I'm doing this on the 19th of September of 2024, but I don't want this to get posted until October 11th on a Friday, early at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. It does have my time zone already here automatically, and I have now scheduled the post. It takes a couple seconds. You just want to wait for this post created successfully. It automatically takes you back to your social media planner list. And as you can see, this is the one that I just scheduled for the 18th of October at 7 a.m. And that right there is complete. So you would just do this process as you see fit for graphics. Word post doesn't have to have an image or doesn't have to have a video, but you can do videos if you choose. Let me know in the comments, how many posts ahead of time have you scheduled, or what's the most that you've scheduled ahead of time? I look forward to hearing how you've been using the social media planner.